Hey guys, and welcome back to today. We're going to be talking about starting business without no money. So this is the best way to earn money without using money. So if you are interested in that, then this video is for you, and you should stick around until the end because there just might be a business here for you that you can use to earn some money this summer. There are so many persons who want to have an extra income, but there's just not enough money to go around to invest into a business. Now these are businesses that will allow you to become your own boss, employ others, so you're not only creating wealth for yourself, you're creating wealth for others as well. If you just stick around, you'll hear something that's for you. First job on our list today, out of the top 5 jobs that we have, is to run errands. I've realized something is that persons are too busy or too lazy to even go get groceries for themselves. So you can start a personal shopping business. So you don't need any money for this, because all you have to do is make an Instagram post, promote it on your WhatsApp, promote it on your Facebook, promote it on your Instagram. And I'm not talking about Instagram ads. You can ask your friends to share. There's someone who's going to be interested. So what you do is that they'll contact you, they'll tell you how much money they have to spend. That is, if you're going grocery shopping for someone, they'll tell you how much money they have to spend, they'll give you the list of items, plus they will pay you to go get the groceries for them. So this is a win-win. Like, you're not using your money, you're only using your time, and you're going to get paid for your time. And you don't only have to go grocery shopping. You have persons who have things to do at the tax offices, and they don't want to go themselves, because if you live in Jamaica, and if it's anything you know about our tax offices, is that they're always full. You have to get up in the early morning and go there to deal with your business, because there's so many persons that are there on a daily. Some persons have work and they can't do it. Some persons just are too old and cannot deal with the line, right? So what you would do, whatever documents they want, you would collect from them, and then you go to the tax office and you will deal with it for them and get paid to do it. Persons are charging 3 grand, even 5 grand. I saw on Instagram the other day of a business that basically run errands, and they're charging 5 grand to go to the tax office. And I can't blame them, because sometimes you go there, you're standing on your feet for hours, so you get paid for your time. So if you have some time on your hands and you can go and run some errands, you could be making 5 grand for just going to the tax office. You could be making 3 grand for just going to the grocery store. Like, it's the grocery store. Some people just don't want to leave their home. Some people are too old to leave their home, and some people just want someone to carry food to their mother that lives elsewhere, right? They don't have the time to. So there are so many things that people do that they can just give to you to do, and you get paid for your time, of course. And if this is a business that is booming and it's really going on, and you realize that you have a lot of customers, you have a lot of clients, persons wanting you to go get groceries, go deal with this document for me, go pick up something at the airport for me. Like, errands it can be anything. You offer your services, it can be anything, right? So it can grow to a point where you have so many clients that you have to employ an assistant to help you with all of these guys. So guys, all you have to do is stick around and see it through. The next business on our list that you can start to earn money without losing money is thrifting. There is something in your closet that you have that you're not wearing, and there's something in mine too. So what you can do is start your own thrifting business. Of course, you probably have to create the business Instagram page. You probably have to create a Facebook page, and just ask friends and families to share, because what we're trying to do is start business with no cash. So we're not paying for ads. We're going to let it generate its own customers, its own views, by just sharing. And you can use what it's called Reddit. Reddit is a very good place, of course, to use to share things, because persons of similar interest Facebook also because of Facebook groups, and of course you have Facebook Market, right, which is like a free ad for me. I don't know, because there's so many things that you can find on Facebook Marketplace, right? And depending on where you are, you just post your items, post the price, and sell them, because there's something in your closet that you can sell. There's something in everyone's closet that we can sell, and when you start selling, you can probably get clothes from your family members that is in good condition, of course, because it has to stay good. No one is going to pay for anything that don't stay good, right? You might not get it back for the full price, but it's an extra money in your pocket. And you can also go to other thrift stores, look at what they have after you have earned from selling your family clothes, your sister clothes, your brother clothes, right? And your clothes. After you have earned, you can go to other thrift stores, see what they have, and also purchase their items and resell it with a markup, and you have an entire thrift business running, right? But the thing with thrifting is, remember, you are selling very cheap clothes, so you're going to have to find second hands that are reasonable. And if you're Jamaican, we know we have families overseas that change out their wardrobe or their style yearly, right? And their clothes are in good condition, so ask them, tell them you have a little business to send down some barrel with some clothes and sell. But the main thing is, there's something in your closet, my closet, your auntie closet, your mommy closet, that no one is wearing and it is in good condition, that you can sell. That is something. If you just need a little extra cash in your pocket, go thrifting with your own clothes. So it is summertime and everyone is traveling, and what I realized nowadays is that persons are not going to book their own flights, they're using travel agency. And to start a travel agency business, do you need cash? No, you do not need cash to start a travel agency business. All you need to do is find those deals and use your words, because if you're a travel agency company, business, whatever you want to call your little travel agency business, all you have to do is try to find the best deals with these hotels, find the cheapest routes to go to Panama, Mexico, Jamaica, the Caribbean, anywhere you want to go that is hot right now, because everyone is traveling and no one wants to go through the booking, none of that. They want somebody to do it for you. Like I mentioned before, people are just too tired and lazy to even do it themselves, so they want you to do it for them. So if you have a travel agency business, all you have to do is do the booking, find some nice reduced prices of fun places, hot places, nice places, summer places that persons can go and enjoy themselves, and post to the Instagram page so persons can know that, oh, it costs this amount to go here and it is cheap and you can go for two. So you're just in the back end and they just come and you book it for them. No cash, right? And of course your profits would be included for your services, your service fees, all of that. You get paid to let people enjoy themselves. It's a win-win, right? So if you are interested in a travel agency and you know how to book flights, you know how to find cheap things, cheap flights, cheap routes, then a travel agency business is the best one for you. Okay, so another business that you can start without using any cash at all is babysitting. Every single type of babysitting. You have house sitting, pet sitting, and actual babysitting with kids. Now, for this one, it's a little bit tricky to find clients or persons to actually offer your services to. So you can look through the paper. There's always persons advertising that they want a babysitter, pet sitter, a house sitter. So you can go through the papers, call them up and say, hey, I have some time. You want a babysitter, you want a pet sitter for a certain amount of time. Summer is coming up. Persons are leaving their house. They're leaving their pets in their house. They need their pets to be fed, right? So you can host it while you pet sit. And even if they don't want you to host it, you can go in the mornings, feed the pets, clean up their messes, ensure the area is clean, go back in the afternoon, check on them, of course. I know there's automatic feeder, but some pets just require attention, So you can do pet sitting and babysitting right now in the summer. Right, so you just have to, this one, like I said, it's a little bit tricky to find persons. What you can do is always going to your newspapers. Persons are advertising that they want persons to do this, and also you can advertise on your Instagram page that you offer that service. Or you might see someone with their pet and you say, hey, you know, sometimes I can pet sit for you. So you just have to put your brand out there. Don't be shy. Not because you're starting from nothing doesn't mean you can't reach something and something higher, but you have to be bold. You have to open your mouth and speak. You might be turned down by a few persons, say, hey, no, I don't need anyone to look after my dogs, I'm always there. That's fine. You will find somebody. Like I said, check your newspapers, advertise yourself. When you see persons with pets, open your mouth, ask them, tell them that you're offering a service, and see if they are interested. So the last one for today is to start a writing business. So basically what this does is that there are so many persons that do not know how to write a business plan. There are so many persons that do not know how to write a resume. Honestly, it's not that hard to do. I never really understood why persons have such a challenge to write a business plan or to even draft up their resume or their cover letter. But obviously it is a need, and if you're going to start a business, you are going to satisfy some need of some sort, and this is a need right now. Persons are fresh out of university, they want to know how to write a resume, how to write a business plan, because you need a business plan to open a business account, right? I'm sure no one who has worked hard for their business wants their business to close down because they're getting money through their personal account, which a lot of banks in Jamaica are kind of closing down on. So do not accept payments to your personal account. Get a business account, because they will literally seize your personal account. Yes, they will. So in order to get a business account, sometimes you need to present a business plan. Persons don't know how to write a proper business plan. So if you can go ahead, there's literally so many videos on YouTube on how to write a business plan. You can even read PDFs on how to write a business plan. If you have that knowledge, or even if you don't, you can go get that knowledge and offer your services. No cash up front. They pay you for your services. They pay you for being smart and being able to write a business plan. They pay you for being smart and being able to write a resume or cover letter. So I don't know what you would call this, but basically it's like I don't know. It's almost like a writing business somewhat. It's your business. If you want to do it, you can start it, and trust it, you will find clients. You will find persons who are interested, especially for resumes, because there are so many resumes, Zoom meetings that persons are paying to attend to know how to get that perfect job. Next month I'll try to put out another video with 5 other business ideas that you guys can do that require no cash at all. Hope that you guys enjoy this video, and of course subscribe, like and share with someone who needs it, and until next time, I'll see you.